Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing another Temu haul. So I want to let you know, if you want to become an influencer, the link to that is in my description box, and it's free to apply to become an influencer. You do not need to have a YouTube channel in order to be an influencer, so you might want to give it a try. Free stuff is always nice. Also, I do have, and my dog is chewing on something. Let me get that from her. Also, I do have a 4-digit code that I'll put here somewhere on the screen, and it'll also be in my description box, where you can save 30% off your first order and $100 worth of coupons. So what else am I gonna say? What else? All of these items will be linked in my description box for you. And let's go ahead and just get started. Show you what I got, tell you how much it costs. And I got this bag. Always comes so dirty. I don't know why. Always so filthy. The orange ones, when they used to come on orange bags, I don't remember them looking so dirty. All right. Anyway, let's get started. First thing. These are called Effortless Chic or Chic. I think in my last video, I kind of came to the conclusion that it's supposed to be chic. C-H-I-C, all season lightweight women's flats, slip-on comfort, soft sole, round toe for timeless elegance. Now these are really, really nice. I love the way they look. I love the material, super soft material. I already tried them on, and unfortunately, I walk right out of them. So in my last video, I had bought a couple, I think 3 pairs of slip-ons, and 2 out of the 3 pairs I walk right out of. So someone in my comments said that you should size like half a size down when you're buying slip-on shoes. So I don't know, but yeah, these, nope. They come in a size 4.5 all the way to a size 8, in case you're wondering about these. They are super cute. The material's really nice. They come in black and the pink that I have in apricot, or apricot, however you want to say it. It's up to you. So I think they're super cute. Again, I wish, you know, they just don't fit me, so darn it. Got this. This is a purse, which I thought was going to be bigger, a lot bigger. I thought it was a normal size handbag, and it is definitely tiny. So thinking this is gonna go back, it's just too small for what I need it for, which is every day, you know, to go out, and you know, I just don't need something this small. $5.98. It's called a Vibrant Floral Canvas Shoulder Bag. And yeah, they have different styles, different colors, and I was really hopeful for this. But this is going back. So far, I've got the shoes that are going back and this cute little purse that is going back. Darn it. So far, it's not turning out so good. All right. We got these. Who doesn't need permanent markers? I know we do in this house. So this is 12 pieces, Vibrant Fine Point permanent markers. And they are different colors, which is nice. So here's the colors. And yeah, really nice. So they're $3.97 for 12. And it is fine point. It says, Brooklyn, what are you doing? Stop. So, what? Okay, yeah, that is green. I was gonna say it looks black, but it is green. So there's the point there. And let's see if I mark on this. You kind of see. So yeah, I like these. I need these. So something I need, and that's always nice to get. So yeah, 12 pieces, Vibrant Fine Point markers. And then I got these. Guys, these are nice. These are super nice. My voice keeps cracking. But these come in a black, beige, white, pure black. Black and pure black, I guess it's different. Oh, I see, because the heel on the pure black ones is also black, the bottom. And then the pink, earth yellow, and red orange. But these are super nice. I did try these on, and they are a great fit for me. They are a size 7, and they smell like leather. They're not, I'm sure. They come in a size 6 all the way to an 11.5. And let's see, what does it say they're made out of? It says man-made materials, polyurethane. Polyurethane, sorry if I'm saying that wrong. It says the insole is canvas, the sole material is rubber, but all I know is I love these. I want them in almost every color they have. And again, size 7, and they fit me really well. Just the other ones, you know, it's just, I guess, a toss-up when you're buying shoes on Temu to see if they fit you. I don't know. But they're $12.74, and I love them. Then I got these, and these fit also. These are a white, and they are, you know, very lightweight, very, very cute, and these fit. And these are a women's lightweight. Sorry about that. Someone was at the door. So we've got, again, these, I don't know if I mentioned, they come in a size 5 all the way to an 11.5. If I'm repeating myself, I'm sorry. They come in white and black. And the black ones also have a black sole, so it's really, really nice. Is that what they call this? I think so. But anyway, these fit great, size 7. So another pair of slip-on shoes that fit, but you know, I really don't know. I did one of the shoes that I bought in my last haul that were a size 7. I did go back and order a 6.5, so we'll see if those fit better. But these are super cute, you guys. They're super lightweight. I mean, I love them. I don't know how long they're gonna last. I mean, they seem to be made really well, but yeah, look at the design on them. So yeah, these are $9.27. If I already said that, sorry. But I love those. They're just called women's lightweight slip-on sneakers. Love them. Did I mention that? All right, next up, this is kind of a short haul. It's not gonna be very long. I might, in fact, put 2 Temu hauls together in one video, so you might not be seeing this for a few days. Today, right now, is Friday, July 12th, but I don't know when I'm gonna post this. I think I want more Temu before I don't want my video super short. This is a Paris print tee. Okay, the fabric is nice. That's always nice when you get nice fabric on Temu. It's really super soft. And it just is a white t-shirt. It says Paris, and I like the design. So it only comes in white. It's $7.48. It feels like a cotton blend, but yeah, I highly doubt it. Let's see. What does it say it's made out of? 100% polyester. Yeah, so 100% polyester. It is pretty stretchy. So if I do another Temu haul on this haul, I will go ahead and do a try on at the end, because I think I've got more clothes coming in another package. I think I'm supposed to be getting that next week sometime. But yeah, it's just a white t-shirt. It says Paris. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I like it. All right. Yeah, one of the reviews on it says, love this tee. The fabric is so soft and smooth. Yeah, I agree with that person that said that, because it is. And did I tell you how much it cost? I think I did, $7.48. All right, last thing in this haul. And first thing I want to do is, I guess, a disclaimer, I guess. I do not in any way promote drinking. I do not like shirts or anything that has like kind of beer labels or anything like that. But I had to buy this because it reminded me of my father. He passed away 3 years ago, and all through my childhood and my adulthood, I remember my dad with a can of Coors Light. Okay, he was not an alcoholic, he was not a drunk, and you know, but he always, that was his preferred drink of choice. So when I saw this is something I'll probably just wear at home, but it's just a Coors sweatshirt. It's not a hoodie, it's just a sweatshirt, and it just reminded me of my father. And yeah, again, it's probably not something I would wear out in public, because I don't like seeing when other people are wearing things like this that say Coors, or things that, you know, like beer and alcohol. I don't know. It's just something I don't like seeing on other people, so I probably wouldn't wear it in public. But inside, it's got the fleece material, so it's super, super soft. Yeah. I don't know if I want to make it my thumbnail or not, but it kind of reminds me of my dad, so let me go ahead and, how's that? All right. I don't know. When I see it, it just reminds me. Anyway. All right, everyone. So I'm probably not going to end this video right now, because I'll probably be putting on another Temu haul afterward. But just in case, I'm going to end this video by saying, please subscribe. Please like this video. Please comment down below. And thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day. Bye.